This is going to be a short video showing you from the sky what the new road East High Street into Orr Street looks like. The construction is finally finished and the road is opened up. Later in the video you'll be able to see how much wider the intersection of High and Main is, mainly to allow semi-trucks an easier turn to get onto East High Street heading east out of town or to the Jam Smucker Company. I know for the past couple months it has been a little bit of a headache on Main Street at that intersection of High Street. It's not going to be a headache anymore. Here you can see in the bottom left hand corner CVS at North Main Street and East High Street. When you go through the intersection of North Main and East High, there are no stop signs on East High all the way out of town. There are two other ways to get onto East High Street, and that would be North Mill and North Walnut. In both of those streets, when they intersect with the East High Street, there are stop signs. Here you can see Orr Street curving left and then to the right, meeting up with East High Street. You can also see the old Orr Street, which is no longer a street at all. It will be green grass once it's finished growing. And here you can see how much wider the intersection is now. Thank you for watching this short clip. Share it with your friends. Remember to drive safe and buckle up.